Welcome to Jaguar Land Rover. My name is Jordan Rothrock. Today we're going to take a look at this 2017 Toyota 4Runner. Now, the nice thing about this is if you do take a look down here, it does come with an extra set of wheels. It does have TRD wheels, but this is just an SR5. Now, if you take a look over here, this does have some side steps on both sides, which is always easier to get in and out of the vehicle for anybody who needs it. Come take a look around out back here in the trunk. This does come with the original set of wheels, which is always a plus whenever you're trying to, if you ever want to use winter and summer tires. It also does have a tow hitch, which is always nice if you're towing or even just throwing some bikes on the back. Now let's take a look out back. It's got a spacious rear seats area. That way, for any of your passengers, you have plenty of room. If you don't normally have people out back, don't worry, the seats do fold down near flat. Now let's take a look up front. The nice thing about this is it does have leather interior and it does have heated front seats, which is always a plus in Maine winters. I want to thank you again for your time watching this video. Again, if you ever come into the showroom, my name is Jordan. I'd be more than willing to help you. I hope you have a wonderful day.